Thank you for purchasing our video to digital converter. In this video, we will show you how to get started with the system. Okay, let's get started. By the way, if you want to follow the video step by step, remember that you can pause and resume it at any time. The first step is to plug in and charge your converter using the included USB cable and wall adapter. After a few seconds, the device will start up and show the charge level. To fully turn on the device, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Next, plug in a USB flash drive or microSD card. Most USB drives should be inserted with the logo facing away from you. If you're using a microSD card, insert the card with the card's gold contacts facing you and insert the drive until it clicks in place. Please note, for best result, we highly recommend starting with a new unused USB drive or microSD card 64 GB or bigger. Below this video, you'll find links to some USB drives that we recommend. Okay, next, we'll connect your video source. Insert the included video transmission cable into the output port of the VCR camera or other video source. Insert the other end into the video digital converter. If you have any questions about which cable to buy, please refer to your camera's user manual or contact the manufacturer. Okay, once your video source is connected to the converter, press play. You should have video on your converter. First, determine whether the video source is set to AV or HDMI, which needs to be determined according to the input source. Then please make sure everything from the output port of the source to the input port of the converter is properly connected to gain more experience. If you still don't get video, the problem is almost certainly with your video source, which is your camcorder and mop converter. For example, your video recorder may need cleaning. For information on video recorder cleaning, double-check that your video source is working properly. Try connecting it directly to the TV. If you don't get a signal, it means your video source isn't working properly. Anyway, if you get video on the converter, you're ready to start recording. Just press the record. The converter will start recording your video to digital format. You will see a recording timer in the upper left corner of the converter. When you are ready to stop recording completely and save the recording, simply press the record again. Just a warning, do not unplug your USB drive or microSD card until you have stopped recording. Otherwise, the recording will be corrupted and will not be saved correctly to your drive. Just a hint, as you are recording from an analog video source, this transfer must happen in real time. There's no way to speed up the transfer. But there is an important feature converter that will save you time with schedule recording features. This feature allows you to tell the converter which time period to record automatically. This means you don't have to sit there and supervise your transfer. This feature needs to be set up before you start recording. Press the menu and scroll down to schedule recording. And press the volume, where you can use the custom option to set the exact number of minutes. Then press the mode to exit the menu, and the converter will automatically record at the preset time. After recording one or more videos, you can play back your videos on your device if you want. To do this, insert a flash drive or microSD card and press the mode to enter playback mode. You can browse the next video by pressing the P-Brief in the next. You'll see a screen like this accompanied by sound. Please note that to play the video, press the record. To pause play, press the record again. To exit play, hold down the mode. Finally, if you want to delete a record, press the menu. You can also play back recordings on your TV by connecting an HDMI cable to the HDMI out port and plugging the other end into your TV. By the way, this also works while you're recording, so you can watch your videos on the big screen while they're being converted. To get back to recording mode, press the mode once or until you see a recording timer in the top left corner of the screen. Finally, let's talk about how to transfer your recordings to your PC or Mac. That's the easy part. All you have to do is remove the USB or microSD drive from the converter after you stop recording and plug it into a PC or Mac. The process is usually the same for PCs and Macs. Just open or browse the drive as you want. Use any external drive on your computer to navigate to the video folder for video recording. You can double-click the recording to open and watch it. Well, that concludes this video tutorial. If you want a more detailed guide to converter, please refer to our linked user manual below and contact us. If you have any questions, please include your order number in your email, and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.